Okay, I thought I'd give a quick update on the situation with the Elegoo Jupiter SE damage that we had. After taking a short vacation, I was excited to get the news that a package had arrived from Elegoo. And the package is here. Obviously, I've covered over certain details. On opening the package, in previous videos I had shown that the main screen was damaged as well as a number of other items. On opening up the package, it was obvious before I even opened the package that there was no main screen replacement in it. And what they had sent was the replacement filler unit and the two bottles, the small screen and a simple ribbon cable to repair the printer. However, since we were doing more tests to try and establish what was wrong, the main screen has now failed, so I cannot do anything with it. I'm also going to have problems because the main screen is pretty solid now, stuck to the main part of the printer due to the resin curing over time. So I felt it was worth making this update video just to let people see what the issues I've had trying to get this solved. And come on, Elegoo support, let's get this right so we can get the printer back up and running. Because I was very impressed with the printer, except for what went wrong. Even, and since then, to get myself going, I've even purchased another Elegoo printer, a Saturn 3, so I can get going because I do like their product. And this is not a paid promotion or anything. This is me spending my hard-earned cash to be able to do my 3D printing that I enjoy so much. So please, Elegoo, come on, get your act together.